Flora Fanerogámica de Valle de Mexico. It is a Spanish book, 1500 pages almost. It covers only a small part of Mexico, but it's a very rich region because of subtropical climate. The book was published in 2005, but the digital version, which is available online, was published 5 years later. There are some illustrations, drawings, but a little bit. It gives some information about every species in the Valley of Mexico. Neottia nidus-avis is a common orchid in the northern Podillia and generally in Ukraine. Generally it is very common species in other countries, but it is included in the red data book of Ukraine, like other orchids. All orchids are included because of their difficult ecology, but this species is quite used to our forests, deciduous forest, but coniferous forest sometimes too. It is parasitic orchid. They are not green, they are brown. Even when they dry, they still have the same color, almost. They can exist easily to the next year, standing, sometimes falling apart. Here it's standing until the spring of next year. But alive is only the root. Here it's already dried outside, above the ground. It's blooming in May. So this plant is very easy to notice. It grows with Staphylococcus pinnata, other red data book plants, with Galanthus nivalis, with other orchids like Potanthera. Here it is mostly in the forest of Fagus sylvatica. You see a lot of leaves on the ground.